Blackheads are small yellow or black bumps that form when a clog develops in the opening of hair follicles due to a combination of excess sebum and buildup of dirt and dead skin cells. Factors like hormonal changes in the body, excessive use of cosmetic products, improper skin care, stress and genetics contribute to this problem. Blackheads commonly occur on the face, particularly the nose. They can also appear on the chest, back, neck, arms and shoulders. If left untreated, they can spur acne breakouts. There are many prescription medicines for the treatment of blackheads, but you can always try natural treatments. With simple ingredients easily found in most kitchens, you can treat your blackheads within a few days. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda is an effective treatment for blackheads as well as acne. It helps clear the skin of impurities such as debris and dirt. Mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda with mineral water to make a paste. Apply the paste generously on the affected skin area and massage gently. Allow it to dry for a few minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. Repeat this remedy once or twice a week. 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon can be used to remove and prevent blackheads. Mix 1 teaspoon each of cinnamon powder and lemon juice with a pinch of turmeric powder, optional. Spread it on your face, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off. 3. Oatmeal. The combination of oatmeal and yogurt is great for keeping your skin free of blackheads. Mix 1 teaspoon honey and the juice of 4 tomatoes in sufficient oatmeal to make a paste. Scrub it on your skin. Wash it off after 10 minutes. Repeat regularly for clear skin. 4. Fenugreek. One of the easiest and simplest natural remedies for blackheads is fenugreek. Make a thick paste by mixing fresh fenugreek leaves with a little water. Apply it on the affected area and allow it to dry for about 10 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Use this remedy daily. Please hit on like if you want more health tips and prescription go on you want to and share with your friends.